All right, so this little video introduction is for everybody who's in 5th hour because it's kind of a weird week for you. You're not going to see me this week because of ACT testing and because I'm gone on Monday and such. But and also this is for anybody who misses live class. So here's what I want you to do. There are 2 asynchronous assignments in the folder right now. One about conditioned learning that you have to see before you start training the chickens next week. For those of you who didn't realize it, we're going to have chickens in the class next week, and you're going to be asked to train them to peck something similar to the video that we watched last week. And then you need to complete the asynchronous assignment on behavior causes. The final thing, though, for our 5 students and anyone who misses live class is that on, on Wednesday in class, I'm going to be training a student in my 6th hour class. And I am going to videotape that and I'm going to post that here along with an assignment. So when you open this up, it's going to look different. There's going to be a video link, and then there's going to be a link to a document that you have to open up and fill out. Now, students who are in the live class are going to be doing that with me. So they're going to be doing that work live and in person, and they're going to turn that in right in class, which means they're going to be focused on working on this assignment in class, and they're not going to have time to do this. But for those of you who are in class 5th hour and you're like, well, I have to just wait until Wednesday before I can do that. Yeah, you do. But you have class time today to do these 2 things. Okay? And that way you don't have to spend your time outside of class working on these, but you do have to on either, either Thursday or Friday, because those will be the only 2 days. I'll be loading it on Wednesday after school. On either Thursday or Friday, you need to complete assignment number 3. Now, next week, if you haven't learned how to work with how to train the chicken, you can have a chicken to write an ethogram, but you can't train the chicken. So it will be required that asynchronous assignment number 1 is completed and submitted. And the answers are thorough and well thought out as described in the video. When you open that one, it's very simple. You're just going to click on this link. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You'll play this video. You have to play the video, and I'm going to take you through that. Okay. So you have to complete that, and you have to complete and submit the assignment associated with training a human. So that means watching a video and recording some descriptions of what's going on. All right. Please message me if you have any questions.